Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to create tasks manually in HubSpot. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to organize your daily activities and stay on top of your communications, whether it's a reminder to send an email, make an important call, or follow up with a prospect. If you're looking to work smarter in HubSpot and keep your pipeline moving smoothly, this is for you. So let's get right into it. First, we'll start by creating tasks from the Tasks page. To do this, open up your HubSpot dashboard and just head over to CRM, then select Tasks. This section is your main hub for all things task-related. It's like your digital to-do list inside HubSpot. Once you're on the Tasks page, look up to the top right corner. You'll see a button that says Create Task. Go ahead and click that to get started. Now, you'll be prompted to enter some details for your new task. Begin with the task title. Make it clear and specific so you'll know exactly what needs to be done at a glance. For example, instead of just follow up, you might write, follow up with Jane Doe about demo scheduling. Next, select the type of task you're creating. You've got options like to do, email, or call. Think about what kind of action this task really is, because choosing the right type helps you or your teammates understand how to tackle it. If you're scheduling a follow-up email, select email. If it's a phone call, choose call. It's a small detail that makes a big difference during a busy day. Priority is next. You'll see options ranging from none to high. Setting the right priority can help you and your team focus on what matters most. If something is urgent, don't hesitate to tag it as high priority. If it's just a gentle reminder, maybe leave it at low or none. This helps keep your day organized and prevents overwhelm. Now, here's a really useful feature: the Associate with Records field. This lets you link your task directly to a contact, company, or deal in HubSpot. Think of it like attaching a sticky note to the relevant file in your cabinet. Later on, when you look at that record, you'll see the task right there, making your follow-up seamless and saving you from hunting for context. You can assign the task to yourself, or, if you're working with a team, hand it off to a colleague. Just pick the right person from the list. This is especially handy when dividing responsibilities or delegating actions across your sales or support crew. Don't forget to set a due date and time. This helps ensure nothing slips through the cracks. You can even add a reminder, super helpful if you tend to get caught up in other work. If the task is something you need to do regularly, like weekly follow-ups, just check the Set to Repeat box. That way, HubSpot will automatically create the next task for you. No need for manual entry every time. In the Notes section, jot down any extra instructions or context. Maybe you want to remind yourself to mention a specific promotion or include a phone number. Writing a few helpful details here can save confusion later, especially if you're passing it off to someone else. Once you're happy with all the details, click Create to finalize the task. If you've got a batch of tasks to enter, use Create and add another so you can keep the momentum going. But sometimes you'll want to create a task from a specific record. Maybe you're right in the middle of reviewing a contact or working on a deal. In that case, just navigate to the contact, company, or deal record in HubSpot. On that page, look for the Tasks section, usually easy to spot. Click Create Task, and you'll get the same set of options as before. Fill out all the details, make sure everything looks right, and hit Create. It's a super quick way to make sure your follow-ups and reminders are tightly linked to the people or deals they're about. That's all it takes. Creating tasks manually in HubSpot keeps you organized, proactive, and on top of your work. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another HubSpot feature you'd like a walkthrough for. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new tip. Thanks for watching and see you next time.